Colors and shapes are a key way that we describe and categorize our world. Children will notice that a red flower is different from a yellow one, and that a round bread roll has a different shape than a square slice of bread. With this set of color and geometry cards, you can help your child learn their shapes and colors. Start by placing the cards in front of them. You can discuss the colors, shapes, and patterns with your kids. The cool thing about these cards is when you place them on top of each other, they create new colors. This gives them an early introduction to primary and secondary colors. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.